Hey, hi, this is Animesh. Today we are going to learn how to create a SharePoint list and how to customize that using InfoPath in SharePoint. So let's go ahead and start. This is my SharePoint site. So go to your SharePoint site and click on the settings, and you can go to site contents, and there you see an add an app. So basically, list is an app inside your SharePoint, and you can choose custom list, give it some name, my custom list, create. All right, so here you can see my custom list that is created. Now you can go inside the list by clicking there. All right, now here you can add the items by clicking on list, and you can go to list settings, and there you can see what are the columns that are added. So you can see few of the columns are added by default, but we most of the cases we might need to add additional columns depending on your list. So here what I'm trying to create is a custom list that will to track our day-to-day production issues maybe. So I'll choose, maybe I can say issue require the column contains information. That's optional. Let's keep it optional. Then I'll say summary, description, basically details. Okay, now I have defined issue and description. I want to define owned by, who is owning the issue, owned by. So here in the owned by, we can choose any one of the available options here. There is an option called person. So that will select, allow me to select a particular person. And remember, this SharePoint has been installed in an organization, and it has connectivity to its employees, so we can once that integration. So that is the first part that we have to do. I'm not covering that in this video. So once you have the setup done, then you can use this video to create a list. Okay. All right. So these are done. Now what you have to do is you have to uh, create a view, or you can use the default view. Basically, most of the times default view works. So you go to all items, and this is your default view. So first of all, this is something that you have to kind of avoid title. So issue, basically issue you can omit because title is already there. You can write one liner for the issue in this title. Then description will be the second one. This is the column ordering, and the sequence inside in the front page of the list, not in the form. Owned by, that will be number 3. Yes, I think that's it. So click OK. I'm taking a simple use case because we can keep adding, but yeah, see. So now it has added in the order that is selected in our last screen, which showed the default view. So title, description, and owned by. But this is different from the actual form. So when I click in here, the actual form, there is a title, issue, description, and so it has still has the issue. Now how to edit that? So if you want to edit that, right, you will have to go to the list, Okay, let me go to the list settings, and here you will find what are the so here is the issue. So this is something that we don't want, right? So we'll just have to delete it. Yeah, I think we are done now. Let's go back to our my custom list and try to create an item in the form. Yep, now we are done. So we have title issue with Java 1.8. This is an example entry. Java not loading anything depending on your use case owned by. I will put my name here since it has the, but I'm going to hide it because I don't want to show my name here. I am going to hide it. Okay. All right. So this is created. Now, what if I want to integrate this with InfoPath, right? So what we have to do is we have to basically go to uh, the list, and there is a customized form here that we have to use. But unfortunately, that doesn't work in Chrome. So we have to use Internet Explorer for that. Now, let me open my Internet Explorer. Okay, this is my Internet Explorer. So let me copy my list from the other browser. I'll copy the list here. All right. So go to list. There is a customized form. You click on customize form. Yes, this is what the screen that will look like. So here it has title, attachment, description, owned by. So this attachment is something that is added. So that's good. You can attach your file screenshots of the issue or anything that you want to. And yeah, so once you have it right, you will have to publish. There is a small publish button here, and you just publish it. It will take some time to save depending on your network connection. Yep, your form template was published successfully. Click on OK and you are done. So you can cross it. Now, if you refresh the page or if you try to create a new item, you can see a new view. Yeah, so exactly like the same that you saw in the previous page when we opened the info path. So you can see the attachment here. And yep, so we are done. So that ends my video, and thanks once again for watching. Subscribe to middlewareworld.org to receive more videos like that. Thank you so much. We'll see you again. Bye.